Today, we're diving into something we all do, but don't often think about: laundry. It's a simple task with a lot of interesting details beneath the surface. Together, we'll explore how laundry works, why it matters, and maybe even pick up a few tips along the way. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What is laundry? Simply put, laundry means the clothes and linens we wash regularly, like sheets and towels. A washing machine helps us clean these items, making sure they look good and smell fresh. Doing laundry isn't just a chore, it's how we keep our clothes ready for whatever the day brings. Let's talk about why we do laundry. First, it's about having clean towels and sheets ready to use. Then, clean clothes to wear every day. But it's more than just freshness. Laundry helps us remove bad smells that build up over time. It also gets rid of stains and dirt that can't be seen but definitely felt. So, laundry isn't just a chore, it's how we keep things clean, comfortable, and ready for whatever comes next. Let's talk about which clothes actually need washing. This sweater, for example, definitely does its dirty. But how do we decide if something else needs a wash? Usually, we wash clothes that are dirty or smelly. And often, anything we've worn today, or even in the past few days, deserves a clean. It's a simple rule, but it helps us keep our wardrobe fresh and ready to go. Here, we see clothes sorted into two groups, whites and colors. Sorting is all about grouping things that belong together. When it comes to laundry, that means separating items by color or shade. This helps protect fabrics and keep colors bright. So before washing, we ask ourselves, which clothes need washing, and how should we group them for the best results? Sorting is the first step toward clean, fresh laundry. Sorting laundry might seem simple, but it's actually key to keeping our clothes looking their best. When we separate whites from colors, we protect those bright whites from turning dull or gray. It also prevents colors from bleeding onto each other, which can ruin a favorite shirt or pair of pants. So, sorting laundry isn't just a chore, it's a smart step to make clothes last longer and look fresher. That's why it's so important. When it comes to sorting laundry, color is one of the easiest ways to keep things organized. We usually separate bright colors, dark colors, and whites. This simple step helps prevent colors from bleeding onto each other and keeps whites looking fresh. Sorting by color isn't just practical, it's the first move toward cleaner, longer-lasting clothes. Let's keep this in mind as we move forward. Let's talk about keeping white clothes bright and fresh. The key is to keep them together, separate from colors. That way they stay crisp and don't pick up any unwanted hues. Think white t-shirts, socks, underwear, even pants or shorts. This pile is all about preserving that clean, bright look we want. It's simple, but it makes a big difference in how your whites look over time. Dark colors have a way of influencing the colors around them, especially lighter clothes. That's why it's important to keep dark pieces grouped together, like you see here. When dark colors are side by side, they hold their true shade better. Think black pants with navy shirts, dark gray hoodies, or dark jeans. Keeping these dark tones in one area helps maintain their depth and prevents unwanted color shifts. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference in how outfits come together. When we keep bright clothes together, they stay vibrant longer. Think of red shirts, pink dresses, orange shorts, and yellow socks, all grouped in one pile. This simple step helps preserve their color so they don't fade into dullness. It's a small habit that makes a big difference in keeping your wardrobe lively and fresh. Bright colors belong together, just like in this photo. Now let's put our sorting skills to the test. We're looking at 3 different laundry baskets. One has all bright colors together. Another mixes whites, darks, and brights. The last one holds only white clothes. The question is, have these clothes been sorted correctly? If you think yes, give a thumbs up. If not, give a thumbs down. This is a quick check to see how well we understand proper laundry sorting. Let's talk about special laundry items, those pieces that need a little extra attention. Always check the label on your clothes first. Sweaters made from wool, for example, often require gentle handling. Then there are soft materials like silk or satin, which can be easily damaged in a regular wash. Delicate items, in general, might not survive the washing machine's usual cycle. So, knowing which clothes need special care helps keep them looking their best longer. Let's start with the basics of washing clothes. First, we collect all the dirty laundry in a basket. Then we sort the clothes by color. Whites go together, darks go together, and bright, colorful clothes get their own group. Once sorted, we load one group into the washing machine. Next, we measure and add the right amount of detergent. Finally, we start the machine and let it do its work. These simple steps set the foundation for clean, fresh laundry every time. Once the washing cycle finishes, the next step is simple. Open the washing machine door. Then, take out the wet clothes carefully. Next, transfer those clothes into the dryer. Finally, start the dryer to get everything dry and ready to wear. This step is all about moving the clothes from one machine to the next, keeping the laundry process smooth and efficient. Once you move a load of laundry into the dryer, it's time to get the next one going. First, pick the next sorted pile, whether it's colors, whites, or delicates. Then, load those clothes into the washing machine. Don't forget to measure and add the right amount of detergent. Finally, start the machine, and you're all set for the next cycle. It's a simple routine that keeps everything flowing smoothly. Once a washing cycle finishes, it's time to move those wet clothes to the dryer and get them drying. When the dryer stops, take out the dry clothes and place them in a basket. From there, carefully fold or hang everything where it belongs. These simple steps wrap up the laundry process, all clean and ready to go. Laundry might seem simple, but there are some important safety tips we need to keep in mind. First, don't hesitate to ask for help if you're unsure about anything. Always follow the directions on the detergent. Using the right amount matters. And never, ever taste the detergent. Finally, keep the machines closed until the cycle is completely finished. These steps keep laundry safe and smooth for everyone. Let's think about where this blue sweater fits in. We have 3 groups: bright colors, dark colors, and white colors. The question is, which group does the blue sweater belong to? This exercise helps us practice sorting clothes by color, which is a simple way to organize and make decisions quickly. So, does the blue sweater join the bright colors, the dark colors, or the white colors? Take a moment to consider before we move on. Let's take a moment to practice sorting clothes. Here, we have a question. Where do the black pants belong? Should they go with bright colors, dark colors, or white colors? The right answer is with the dark colors. Sorting laundry properly helps keep clothes looking their best and prevents colors from bleeding. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in how our clothes last. Let's think about where the orange dress fits best. We have 3 groups: bright colors, dark colors, and white colors. The orange dress is vivid and lively, so it naturally belongs with the bright colors. This exercise helps us practice sorting clothes by color, an important skill for organizing and making choices quickly. It's simple, but it sharpens our eye for grouping things in a way that makes sense. When it comes to sorting clothes, the white shirt has a clear home with the whites. Sorting laundry might seem simple, but it's all about protecting colors and fabrics. Bright colors go together, dark colors stay separate, and whites need their own space to stay bright. This practice helps prevent colors from bleeding and keeps everything looking fresh. So where does the white shirt go? Right in with the whites. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Let's think about sorting clothes by color. We have bright colors, dark colors, and white colors. Now, where does a navy blue t-shirt fit in? It belongs with the dark colors. Navy blue is deep and rich, so it's best kept separate from the bright or white loads. This helps keep colors from bleeding and keeps your clothes looking their best. Sorting right is simple, but it makes all the difference. Great job, everyone. Your laundry is sorted and ready for the washing machine now. It's a simple step, but an important one, setting yourself up for success. Thanks for sticking with me through this process. Here, to cleaner clothes and smoother routines ahead. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.